It's all right, Amanda. We're just glad to have you here. We don't expect anyone to be here. Oh, sorry, that's not a nice noise.
What are you doing to the t-shirt?
Yeah, what are you doing to the t-shirt? Here comes the dog again.
Some vinyl.
I think maybe this. Oh! What's your toy? Look at it.
I don't even know where to look. Quick.
Oh, thank you.
Harry's just exploded all over the table. I'm a little bit speechless now, Harry. Oh no.
Right, don't worry. Don't worry. Just look the other way a minute, everybody.
Happy little accidents.
Okay, so let's think this through, but not for too long. I'll go and get a kitchen roll, I think.
Oh,
Oh, dear.
well, has that ever happened live
No.
before?
That's never happened.
Oh my. Yes, Bob. That's just what I was thinking.
Never happens on a live or off of a live, really.